If your Google Chrome download bar is not showing, whenever you're trying to download something and whenever you download anything like this, like I just click on download and instead of showing here, it shows right here at the top right corner. We don't see any option here. So we will know how to enable or disable Google Chrome download bar. So here at the very top, you need to type Chrome colon forward slash flags. I'll just maximize it so that you can type it. Once you have typed it, hit enter. And a new window will appear like this. And under the search flag, we need to type download. Now, the moment you type download, the last two options are enable download bubble and enable download bubble v2 that needs to be disabled. So I'll click on default and I'll click on disable, and again I'll click on disabled from here. So both the options are disabled actually, and now we just need to click on relaunch, and here we go. Now if I try to download anything, and I will be able to download, let me just download something. I'll click on download and I can see it's waiting, and here we go. Now we can see the download option is back on Google Chrome. So guys, if this video is successful, if you're able to do it, if you're able to enable download bar on Google Chrome, please hit the like and subscribe, and please do let me know in the comment section as well. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.